Hi guys, I'm here to go on with Python, the programming language introduction. So it's really a nice software language and an easy one when you get understand the software language. Nowadays, the world has dumped into this tech world, but the world was just a big orange before the tech take over. But nowadays, the world is a technologic one. Everything is possible in this world. So the future would be the king of technology. So we should adapt with it. And in this Exordium video, I am going to explain on the programming language Python. You may think that in this age, is this needed? Nope, it isn't. But it is useful and helpful in the upcoming years. So here we get started. Before we start, click the subscription button and click the bell item so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos which are in the queue. History and facts. Python, a programming language. Python is high-level general-purpose programming language and we can emphasize code readability and with the help of significant indentation. So Python is dramatically typed and garbage collected. So the founder or the designer of Python is Vernacular and he started the work on Python at the times of 1980s. And the first had been released in 1991 in February 20, almost 30 years as Python 0.90. At this beginning, Python had been ranked as the one of the most popular programming languages. Python 2.0 had been released in the year of 2000 and had also released new features such as list and more. Python 3.0 was introduced in 1980, but a major revision of the language is not completed. So, as for this issue, slightly Python went down, but come back in year 2020 and discontinued with version 2.9.18. And Python had been derived from the British word monopython. The owner enjoyed developing the language. Python had been served in scripting language and some languages influenced by Python are Go, Cobra, CoffeeScript, Go, Shift, etc. So Python is great language and in future with this help we can learn things. At 2003, Python had been the top 3 and in October 2021, it was the popular language ahead of In Java, it could search in dictionary, so Python leads ahead. So in this exported video, I'm gonna explain on the programming language Python. And if you want to know the clear and full history on Python, go to the description link in down of this video so you can make the clear view of Python. And if you want to download it, again go to the description link so you can download it. So I'm signing off here and don't forget to click the subscription button and bell item and also the like button to watch my next videos. To subscribe, but click the like button to click my like button so my video should be liked by you. If you wanted to quiz my mind with doubt, comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, and let's meet in the next video.